which says what? Someone read it for me, please.
Find lateral area, surface area, volume of right rectangular prism with cube.
Okay, lateral area, surface area, and volume. When you think of lateral area, what do you think of? There. To the side. Lateral in football, you guys know what that means?
No.
Throwing the ball to the side. How about in politics, when you have a bilateral agreement? Two sides agree. What's a unilateral decision? One person putting their side or their perspective as the only thing. So when we're talking about a rectangular base, right, meaning these come up perpendicular, prism, what do you think the lateral area means?
Side.
Aaron?
The area of the side.
Good. So last night you worked with what the base is, right? Would you agree that I've colored the base in this case, or it could be the base?
Yes.
And if that's one of the bases, this is another of the bases, correct? So what lateral area means is the area of the sides that are faces or not bases. Think of it as a house. What part of the house are you painting when you're painting the lateral?
The wall.
The walls. Good. Not the roof, not the floor. Now let's say that we're talking about something with dimensions like this, 8, 6, and 10. How could I find the area of all the walls? How much I have to paint? Okay.
You could do like base times height 4 times.
Good. This face over here is 6 by 10, so I can say 6 times 10. And then I'd add on another one, because this side over here is the same 6 by 10. This one is how? 8 by what? 10. So I'd add 8 by 10, and the back one is also 8 by 10. Do you agree that that's going to add up to the lateral area?
Yes.
Okay, good. I'm going to do a little bit of algebra for a moment. See how there's a 10 multiplied by each set here? I'm going to factor the 10 out. Don't tell me this number, but tell me what that represents in this figure when I add together 6, 8, 6, and 8.
Side.
The length of the base area, the perimeter of the base.
Good. Okay, it's the perimeter of the base. Do you agree? 6 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 gives me the perimeter of the base. So I'm going to ask you to think about this as a three-dimensional figure. And I want you to picture some ribbon. Okay, a little small ribbon. You're going to run the ribbon along the bottom of this figure on the outside. Is everyone visualizing that? What color is the ribbon?
Pink. Red.
Pink, pink. That's funny. Everyone else in all my classes has said red is a big unison.
Oh, I
You're
just
supposed to
said
say
red.
pink. I know. It's funny. Anyway, so we've got this little ribbon, whatever color you like, along the bottom. And I want you to think that the first ribbon going along there is exactly the perimeter length, is it not? And if it's 1 unit tall, then it's got an area of 1 perimeter's area. To find the lateral area, what we're saying is how many ribbons stack up to cover all the sides. So if this is 10, how many ribbons would stack up? So we add up the perimeter and multiply it times 10. In other words, our formula, this is going to be the first formula you enter into your sheet. It's the lateral area of your prism.
Basically, we failed.
The lateral area is equal to the perimeter times the height. You'll notice at the top of that, I'm sorry? You'll notice at the top of that sheet, I've given some text that tells you what the definition of each variable is. It says P is the base.
Someone take this book. It doesn't stand up.
Do you guys need to cut it and restart it?
Whoa.